Do you know how to relieve the pain in your neck, mid-upper back, and the lower back without medicines, exercises, and operations? Stay tuned! Hi, I'm Serpina. Welcome to my health tips channel. Chinese doctors say acupuncture points are the medicines, the body is the pharmacy. So, let's go to find these acupuncture points for your neck and the back. Believe or not, they are all in your hands. By the way, sometimes acupuncture points are called pressure points too. Okay, before you do this, please wash your hands, put on some hand cream. The first acupuncture point is for your neck pain. You lift up your left hand and open your 5 fingers and your palm facing down. On the back of your hand, find the spots between where the end of your 4th fingers and the middle fingers meet. It's here. So from here, you use your right thumb to push towards to your arm. At the same time, hold remaining fingers in your left hand as I'm doing now. You move your thumb up between the 2 bones where they join together until your thumb cannot go any further, and then you stop. This is neck acupuncture points. Now your thumb is placed there. Press it firmly. It should feel sore here, which means you've got correct place. You need to press here for 10 minutes. You can do so quite hard. When your thumb feel tired, and then you can gentle rub around this area and press, at the same time rub and press, but don't move your thumb away. Your neck should feel different. Also, as you press here, gentle, and you can try to move your head up, down, left, and right, left. You can move a little bit, but remember, always do your neck slowly every time you move it. However, if your neck is quite painful, so don't move your neck first time you press here. You can do after 3-4 days later, and then you try. When you press, you move your head. If you have had neck pain for quite some time, you should do this 5 to 6 times a day for 10 minutes each time. But don't forget, you need to do both hands, these hands as well. The second acupuncture point is for mid-upper back pain. Again, you lift up your left hand and open your 5 fingers with your palm facing down. On the back of your hand, find the spots between where the end of your middle finger and ring finger meet. Here. From here, you use your right thumb to push towards to your arm. At the same time, hold remaining fingers in your left hand as I'm doing now. You move your thumb up between the 2 bones where they join together until your thumb cannot go anywhere, and then you stop. Here, this is mid-upper back acupuncture. Now your thumb is placed there. Press it firmly. It should feel sore here, which means you have got correct place. You need to press here for 10 minutes. You can do so quite hard. When you sound a little bit tired, and you just gentle rub area and press, rub area together, but do not move your thumb away. Your mid-upper back should feel different. If you have had mid-upper back pain for quite a long time, you should do this 5 to 6 times a day, 10 minutes each time. On the both hands too, of course. The third acupuncture point is for lower back pain. Again, you lift up your left hand, open your 5 fingers with your palm facing down. On the back of your hand, find spots between where the end of your ring finger and the little finger meet here. From here, you use your right thumb to push towards to your arm, at the same time holding remaining fingers on your left hand as I'm doing now. Here, like that. You move your thumb up between these 2 bones where they join together until your thumb cannot go any further, and then you stop. It's here. This here is your lower back pain acupuncture points. Now your thumb is placed there. Press it firmly. It should feel so here, which means you've got correct place. You need to press here for 10 minutes. You can do so quite hard. However, when your thumb feel a bit tired, and you can gently rub and press, rub together. But remember, do not move your thumb away. Okay? If you have had lower back pain for quite a long time, you should do this 5 to 6 times a day, 10 minutes each time. And do not forget to both hands. You need to do these hands as well.
So here's some information about the principles of acupuncture. Traditional Chinese acupuncture has been studied and practiced for over 2,500 years and is based on the belief that an energy or life force, known as qi, flows through the body in channels called meridians and acts as a natural painkiller. The principle of acupuncture is to treat diseases by dredging the meridians, reconciling body imbalances, called yin and yang, and so treating all manner of ailments. By stimulating various body points, known as nodes, acupuncture accelerates local blood circulation, enhances cell growth and vitality, and restores the body to its yin and yang equilibrium, ensuring that the qi and blood then travel to all the furthest parts of the body. In doing so, the functional status of the viscera, joints, muscles and tendons, etc. are improved, so curing pain and disease. Acupuncture doesn't always require needles either. Just a knock, rub, press or tap on acupuncture points can also achieve excellent results for many ailments, often working best in chronic situations as well as less painful ones.
I hope that you will try these acupuncture points for any neck, mid-upper back or lower back pain. By the way, if you have neck pain and also have lower back pain, you can ask your family or your friends to press these 2 acupuncture points together for you. Please pass them on to your family and your friends. Let's see more people benefit from reduced pain. By the way, if you subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, and then you won't miss any of my health information. Many thanks and goodbye.